Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you how to connect Vidiq with Claude AI. So if you're a YouTube creator looking to improve your content creation workflow, using Claude together with Vidiq can help you generate better video ideas, write engaging scripts, optimize your titles, and improve your overall YouTube strategy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use Claude AI alongside the vidIQ platform to plan, create, and optimize your YouTube videos more efficiently. All right, guys, so welcome back and let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is simply sign into your Claude AI account. So open up your browser, head on to Claude AI. This is the platform, so head over to Claude and then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you arrive on the Claude dashboard. And if you don't already have an account, create one and complete the verification process. All right, now the next step is signing into vidIQ. So I'm going to go ahead and click and continue with Google, and I'll show you what comes up next. All right, so vidIQ has been opened, and as you can see, it is actually a YouTube group platform that allows you to discover video ideas, research keywords, analyze competitors, and optimize your video for better performance. All right, so once you're here, just sign into your account as I did and just follow the on-screen instructions. Once connected, you have access to your dashboard and all of vidIQ's research tools. All right, so we're going to be researching video ideas with vidIQ. The first step in this workflow is finding a video idea. So instead of guessing what people are searching for, just let vidIQ provide data-driven suggestions. So just open up the keyword research platform. So head over to research and click on that. Now search for a topic related to your niche. So you can review the search volumes and competition and keyword score. Just browse the suggested keywords and trend topics, then choose a topic that fits your audience. So we could go with the Brazil versus Heidi, trash tier, Chrome core. These are keywords. So we could go with the one with the highest search volume and also the one with the highest volume change. That is the trash tier. So if you click on that, you can see the overall score. You can see this street ball, ankle breakers, Zonai devices, and much more. So this is the number one, and the competition is at 43.7. So it's, quite a medium search. And then if you head back, we also have keywords. So you can use the keywords, you can use videos that are trending to simply create something for your niche. So this is how your video should look depending on the niche you're looking to head into. And there is an option for shorts. If you're looking to engage with YouTube shorts, there is that option. And there are channels that are using these research that have grown over time. So you could go with this one, you could track them. All right, so heading back here, these are some outlier videos you could just try, something you could easily create. You could just take advantage of it. All right, so we are going to be using Claude to write your script. Now that we have a topic, it's time to create a script with Claude. So just head back to Claude, click on the new chat option at the top left of your screen, and then where you have the dashboard, here where you have the prompt box, just go ahead and enter a prompt. You might be wondering what a prompt is. A prompt is a set of instructions that the Claude AI follows and gives you a relative output. All right, so we're going to be asking it to give us a 10-minute beginner-friendly YouTube tutorial about our topic. Our topic in this case might be something like Chrome lore, trash tiers, these are the rising keywords, as well as Brazil versus Heidi. So we can build something around this. So instead of going for a tutorial video, let's go with something that would give us, much more views. We have a Brazil versus Heidi as the keyword. So we're going to copy this out here, copy this and head back to Claude. So what we're going to be telling Claude is this. All right, so I suggested it writes a script following the Brazil versus Haiti match at the FIFA World Cup, highlighting the dramas and chaos that followed. So all we need to do now is just go ahead and hit the enter key on our computer, and it's going to go ahead and begin triangulating and just write a script for this match. So Claude will generate a complete script with an introduction, step-by-step sections, and conclusions. That depends on, how you're looking at it. And then if needed, you can ask Claude to make the script a bit more engaging, simplify the language for other audiences, and expand certain sections of your script. All right, now the next step is generating the titles and description. So once your script has been completed by Claude, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating content for the YouTube upload. So we can ask Claude to generate YouTube titles, video descriptions, chapter timestamps, tags, pinned comments, and call to actions. So all of this would be done as soon as our script is ready. All right, so with the script created here, you can see the code open. You can see the sections, that's the controversy before a ball was kicked, the match and the chaos that followed, as well as the fallout and the closing hook. All of these now can be, visualized. So create or suggest visuals. So let's go with suggest visuals to be showcased during the video. All right, and hit enter. So it's now going to go ahead and suggest visuals to be showcased during the video. We can also ask it to generate us YouTube titles, video descriptions, timestamps, tags, and more. Just review the suggestions and choose the one that best matches your video. So we have a complete script for our World Cup match. So these are the things we can go with here. This is really good. And it has suggested some visuals. So we could just go with this here for our cover of our video, or we could go with this, or we could go with this, all of which would attract the attention of people. Now, the next thing is optimizing with vidIQ. So head back to vidIQ, and to optimize your content before publishing, just go ahead and paste our title into vidIQ. So click on the optimize here, you would find it. Click on optimize, and then let's just go ahead and ask Claude to generate a YouTube title. So generate 3 YouTube titles for this, and then go ahead and hit enter. So it's going to go ahead and generate some YouTube titles. Now, as you can see, these were the visuals that were showcased throughout the match from Claude. So we can go ahead and find more pictures and, other crazy things to include into the video. But basically, this is it, and these are the YouTube titles. So we could go with this, copy it, head over to vidIQ. Make sure to connect your YouTube channel first, but you can take advantage of the AI features of vidIQ to optimize. So optimize the titles and then go ahead and hit enter. So it's going to go ahead and optimize the titles. Now, while that happens, just make sure it includes keywords. Make sure, if needed, you could use vidIQ's AI tools to generate additional titles or description ideas. And then lastly, just upload your video. Open the YouTube Studio on your computer. Head over to the YouTube Studio here. That is YouTube, and then include Studio. So open up YouTube Studio and paste your video there, create your video, upload it, add your thumbnails, playlist, and other details. And then to improve future videos, after your video is published, continue using both tools to improve your future content. And that's how to connect vidIQ with Claude AI in 2026. You can clearly see how good vidIQ works alongside Claude by giving us scores for our titles. So we could just go with the one that has the highest title here and just simply, paste that in. All right, guys, so that's how it works. Comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.